What's up, everybody? Just wanted to throw this in there. Welcome to part two of the video. Being in Taste of Tokyo, as you guys can see, actually in it. I put this in my car. I wasn't there, but yeah, I think you see I was actually part of it. Bought this shirt. The shirt was pretty cool. And I bought this sign because you wouldn't believe like how many people ask me, "Oh, is your car a night gen? Is your car a night gen?" I mean, like, no, the best gen, 8th gen, the last tree Civic. So about the sign, someone was selling this. It was like the last one left. So now I'm gonna put this in my window, up in the show presentations. Then you can clearly see where my Civic falls in line. This is the other Civics as far as, oh, is that a 10 gen type deal? But yeah, I'll throw that in there. You guys enjoy part two of the video. This part I really like because I actually met a big YouTuber that was there. You guys will see it in the video. And my mom went there drifting, which is awesome. All right, back to the video. Enjoy part two. Fuelfest. Recording the car. Cars going ham. Cars going ham. Like that, like that. We didn't even start yet. Got the appeal of a lot of people, man. Oh, it's up today. Maybe on it, man. Type R, maybe. Let's get Type R with the Ultra Extreme. It's a lot of supers. Look at this, and us, there's a lot of people. You got the VIP customers like in here, like right now. VIPs. There you go. You said you had to take a picture. So you had to take a picture of that one right there. Exciting. There we go, we're getting it. It's right now. We signed up for the ride along over here. There's a bunch of people here. I forgot what's up. Hello? They here? This guy's decided he's going to ride along with. The Honda 2000, man, the S2000. I'm thinking either Z or the S right there. Yeah, I'm thinking the S. Yeah, I'm thinking the S. Yeah, I'm thinking the S or Z. That's what I see. Stuff on its slide. There's the other R34 right there. Right there. It's in a drift pitch or whatever. Of course, they're not drifting the R34. I'd gangster. I get R34 and drift it. Okay. Everybody was gonna run and buy it with your boy. Yeah, I'm thinking the S or one of the 350Zs. The Zs are good ass. I want to see, like, I kind of want to watch and see who's getting it. That's the one you want to get it. You don't want to get the lazy guy, right? Yeah. You want to get the one to get it. He gonna get after it. You know what I'm saying? He gonna get active, Courtney. He gonna get active. I want that dude to get active. But imagine the people that were riding along with that. Oh man, damn. Yeah, you're right. Damn, it's too active. Boom. Yeah, right there. I'm going to pick up my mom and my brother's girlfriend. I want to go back to the pit so they can get in and decide who's going to drift it. We're going to knock this out early, get the drifting in early. Steve right here. Got one
What's up, man? Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Great theme, great car. I love it. Really awesome.
Thank you.
Kamehameha.
Thank you. He's talking about the Dragon Ball theme. Though. We got the Dragon Balls in the back. So he's a big YouTuber.
Oh.
Yeah, he just that's my mom right here. Japan vlogs.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, to actually see him like in person, it's like,
oh. I speak Japanese.
Hey, he's like a big YouTuber. He does a lot of stuff in like Japan, Steve. It's like a wide body like Ferrari.
Oh, cool.
How are you, man? Nice to meet you.
It's my brother. That's his
Hi, nice to meet you.
fiance.
Pleasure, Steve.
Yeah. Yeah, it's that. Look at my
And
brother.
they sponsored me for oil.
Talking to my mom.
And they invited us out today. I got my old Skyline out here, so take mom.
Yeah,
See
yes.
my old Skyline, please.
What's that? Where you at? You about to look at my
The Liquid Molly booth.
Okay. Yeah,
You'll know
okay.
it when you see it. You'll know right away.
I didn't know you were here till like now. I caught you at the right. Look, I
Good
caught him
time.
at the right time. Yeah.
No,
you're
I
not
saw
here.
your shirt coming in today, so I said I got to find the guy with the Dragon Ball shirt on, the Kamehameha. So I was looking for you.
Yeah. We're gonna go check out Steve's car for sure
Nice.
later.
Please
For
do,
sure.
man. Please go check it out.
For sure. I guess
Nice
I know
meeting you.
from the wide body Ferrari.
Thumbs up always, dude.
I know. Yeah, the fact that he's in the video is like cool enough, man. Make him the thumbnail,
Very
man.
cool.
Next to my car. Come
And
on.
mom, oh, I'm gonna pose with your.
Gotta get the videos. Look at all be weird. And we just started. Just started. Yeah, man, he did this.
The arrow on the steering wheel tells you the direction that you're going.
There you go. So they gotta go. Getting it.
Come on, you guys are next. I'll take video of you guys doing it.
Yeah, I know. We watch it. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Yeah.
It's a little hot. Yeah.
You wanna try the helmet on or whatever?
Oh, should I try one on to see?
Yeah, let's try the helmet on. I just paid for my mom to go drifting. We're going in that green right there. He's boosted. So
No.
I know this is my.
No.
He's got the medium in the car, so once they come back
Okay, so
around,
both of
Okay,
small.
we're gonna wait. I'm gonna pick this back up.
someone's got it in the car right now. So once you come in, if you're not responding, that's
Where can we stand so I can film my mom? I want to film her going. I want this guy to send it now. Nah, I need to do it. He's like, you fast. I got you. There goes my mother. She getting in. I'm so excited. My mother's going. I talked to her there. I said, this is her glass of off at 370. Go with the bag. Yeah. Alright, that's my mom in the green car. That's what I'm saying. My mom in the green car. I gotta see it take off. My mother. I'm excited. My mother. I got you. I see you. I just want to see it take off. About to send that shit. I'm so excited. Oh my God, the anticipation, man. Zoom out. There it goes. Press the line. Oh my God, boy. Oh, there he goes. Send that shit. There it is. There's my mom. Send that shit. That's what I'm talking about. I got you, man. Alright, she's done. Mom's back. I'm waiting for a reaction. I know she's gonna say, that's adrenaline. Hell yeah. I was happy because it's boosted, man. Finally home off in this heat. Oh, this is awesome. This is amazing. It's amazing. She did it though. climax. Mama did it. In that shit. There he is. There he is. Wrapping it up. That's it. In that shit. You like it? I hope you heard me. I said, send that shit. If you know, I said, send that shit. I told her, send it.
All up and I'm like, oh!
Never been drifting before. Like it?
No. But that was awesome.
And we used to have a 370Z that we were doing that to, but yeah, a lady told us or whatever. So I was like, it's a final hurrah. That's why I was like, send that shit. And what we could have had, damn it. Right, but you like this? Cool?
Wow. You went all in, what do you call that? All in the grass.
Yeah. It wasn't as bad as she thought, though. You swear, but it's good. Hell yeah. I'll talk about that. We're down here. I think about sending. That's the car that got hit earlier, one of them. My mom just went and sent it. Yeah. I got, yeah. The Mustang didn't make it, though. The whole Mustang didn't make it. Oh, no, man. What's in the tandem right there. Fence. Now my brother's going a ride right there. Waiting on him.
Yeah, they got theirs for 50.
That's my brother's
You got it? You got it?
yeah, that's my brother's girl.
It looks like Godzilla, but due to international copyright laws, it's not. Still, we should run like it is Godzilla! No, it isn't.
There's an R34 right there. I'm going with the R34. The R34 is gonna drift. Hey, you know this. If the R34 is gonna drift, I'm going. The Godzilla is drifting. I'm gonna go Godzilla. I'm going. Look at that. You're out here drifting. Out here drifting. Hell yeah. R34 is gonna drift. Alright, some time's gone by. There's lots of people here. I haven't recorded every single interaction because I've been just telling people to view the car and stuff like that. We got the neons going on. And I want you to see the level of people that are here. Taste of Tokyo, so you can see we're in the Taste of Tokyo. More cars here. We will eventually go around. Again, I'm just going to do some interaction with people, but it was really cool. I met Steve POV, as he probably already saw earlier in this video. That was awesome. On Japan, he loved my car. He said, I'm gonna be in this video, so we'll see. I told him, just give me a shout out, Steve. That's all I care about. So that was really cool to meet Steve POV here. So we got people taking pictures, doing everything else. And it's not even nighttime yet, so we can get the neons and the interior going on. So we'll get there. People are asking about interactions right there, asking about the car and stuff like that. I'm tripping out a student driver. Really cool, really cool, really cool. Interactions with the car. Pump music, going crazy. I know, crazy, right? I'm gonna cut that off in a second. Fucking people here, man. A lot of people. Guys still beating the Again, we walked around earlier in the video. You saw some drifting. I'm just gonna make this one long video. Avoid the stage, cut out the music and stuff like that. Wait. We're playing copyright music right now, of course. Again, there we go. Alright, good. Don't end it. Too much copyright music. She's shocked. Because wait till she look at the trunk. That's gonna be funny. If she look at the trunk, it's gonna be funny. I'm like, oh my god, Ninja Turtles. It's funny. We're gonna check out the trunk. Crowd around the car. More people coming in, way more people coming in. Like I said, I want the crowd to get sick. That's what I want. Sick crowd. So I love doing this just for simply showing people my craft. Cool. Past them Prius cars. I'm on the way to go to the restroom. If you want to check them out, there they are. Right here. They are sick. There you go. Two of them. Two eclipses. Two of them. Crazy. You see the same inside. Cool. You're actually in the video, right? You know. There's Mo. When we used to have Mitsubishi, we used to have I see a Type R. I want to know if they had like a freaking Honda Civic. Joke Tech right here. This is Joke Tech. Joke Tech Motorsports and all the cars. Lambos and GTRs. All that. We copyrighted, but there they are. There you go. You about to go again. You about to go again. Now that's Fuelfest. Gonna be a quick outro. There's a lot of people here.
In 3/4 of a mile,
That's it.
turn left onto State Highway
next video.
114
I'm out.
East.
Saying, oh, that's the last one, but the guy in the white Supra up there, let me zoom in like quick. There you go. I was speaking to him. I think his fourth Supra or whatever. He's like, oh, I'm gonna keep it. It's the nicest one he had. Really cool, chill dude. Didn't record the interaction.
In 2 miles, keep right onto State Highway 114 East.
Then you never know when you're gonna run into cool people like that. So I was just badass to talk to him, and he was just chilling. He's like, that was a long show. I was like, yeah, I haven't seen so many Supras again in a long time. So again, I keep saying that's the end, but I keep running into things, man. It was a good show. It was fun show. Highlight of the show was my brother's girlfriend and my mom going drifting. That was awesome. Let's get it. Let's head back to the house now.